The adding of new nations in World of Tanks is a rare event. Each new nation brings both tactical and gameplay changes because our game is like a mosaic, and new elements make it only more varied and fascinating. With the 8.1 update release, players will receive a nice present, the British Tank Tree. In addition, 4 maps will be changed and players will be able to buy premium ammunition for credits. There will be new premium vehicles. We shall take a closer look at all these changes in this video. A lot of new and unique British medium and heavy tanks will appear on the battlefield in World of Tanks. The main features of the British mediums, such as the Centurion MK71 or the EF4202, is their ability to destroy enemies with HESH shells with penetration around 210 mm, whilst the main feature of the heavy tanks from this branch are their high damage per minute and great accuracy. The heavy tanks, such as the Conqueror and the EF215B, are similar to the American M103 and the T110E5, but the British tanks have a greater rate of fire and accuracy. For more detailed information, you can check our video, which is called the Overview of the new British tanks on the 8.1 update. 4 old maps will be remade in the coming update. Dragon Ridge will be changed and made available to players again. The developers added a canyon, a place where heavy tanks might fight each other. There are some graphical changes in Province. The map is far more interesting. There are lots of landscape changes that will make El Halaf look more realistic. Developers added slope to the plain. The lagoon between 2 bases was remade as well. Abbey has a lot of new routes. Instead of the deep canyon, there's a small river in the eastern part of the map. The ravine in the west looks like a real ravine that can save heavy tanks from artillery. There are a lot of major changes. For detailed information, you can check our video, the overview of the remade maps in the 8.1 update. There are new premium vehicles in the shop. The maneuverable Soviet Tier 7 tank destroyer, the Su-122-44. It is equipped with a 122mm gun with a really high alpha damage. That's why it is dangerous. The second new tank is the Panther M10. It is the simple Panther, but it is camouflaged as the TD-M10. That's why its layout may be really unusual for someone. You have a great opportunity to destroy weaker tanks if you are the top-tier vehicle in the battle. But this tank remains a fairly well supporter, which hasn't got troubles with less powerful enemy in any battle. And the third premium newcomer is the Panzer IV Schmalturm. It inherited its weapons and turret from the PZ-4. It was also moved to Tier 6. The combination of its accuracy, rate of fire, and reasonable amount of armor allows this tank to win a fight against almost any enemy at medium or long range. However, you will definitely have some problems if you fight against Soviet heavy tanks with their high amounts of armor. You can receive more information about these tanks in our video, reviewing of the premium tanks in the 8.1 update. In addition, after the 8.1 update release, players will have the ability to buy premium shells for credits. Its cost is equal to the cost of gold exchange. For example, you would pay 4,800 credits should you want to buy a shell that costs 12 gold coins. Aside from these major changes, there are dozens of little but still really useful new features in World of Tanks. In the 8.0 update, the developers added an ability to choose the game mode, but it didn't work when platooned. From now on, the creator of a platoon will choose the modes his platoon will play in. The assault mode has been removed from Prohorovka, but it may be added back as soon as the developers remake it. All in all, we can meet an increasing amount of different tanks on the battlefield in World of Tanks. As a result, there are a lot of new tactics and abilities to use. Just study the game and have fun. There will be a surprise in the next update. You will have to wait to see what it is. Good luck, and see you next time.